Building a Robinhood portfolio requires a strategic approach to investing in the stock market. To get started, download the Robinhood app and create an account by providing some basic information. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it by transferring money from your bank account. The first step in building a Robinhood portfolio is to define your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider what you want to achieve through investing, whether it is long-term growth or short-term gains. It is also important to understand your risk tolerance, as this will help you determine the types of investments that are suitable for you. Next, you will need to choose the types of investments to include in your portfolio. Robinhood offers a range of investment options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options. Stocks allow you to buy and sell shares of individual companies, while exchange-traded funds provide a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. Options give you the right to buy or sell a stock at a specified price. To diversify your portfolio, consider investing in a mix of low-risk and high-risk assets. Low-risk assets, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks, can provide a steady stream of income, while high-risk assets, such as growth stocks or options, can offer the potential for higher returns. When selecting individual stocks, consider factors such as the company's financial health, industry trends, and competitive position. Look for companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage, and a proven track record of success. Another key concept to consider when building a Robinhood portfolio is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility and avoid the risk of trying to time the market. As you build your portfolio, it is also important to monitor and adjust it regularly. Keep track of your investments and rebalance your portfolio as needed to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can build a well-diversified Robinhood portfolio that helps you achieve your investment goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear investment goals, and be patient and disciplined in your investment approach.